Tayo mag-weather update. Ngayon ay June 10, 2024. Southwest monsoon ang nakaka-apekto sa western section ng Luzon at sa buong bansa ay makakaranas ng bahagyang ulap hanggang sa maulap na kalangitan na may kalat-kalat na pag-ulan at pagkulog. Ang weather dito sa 15-122, ngayong pitsages sa 10 to 23 kph na southeast 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 11, 10 to 23 kph sa southeast 3 feet pa rin. Pitsa 12, 10 to 23 na southwest sa bagat ulit na 3 feet. Pitsa 13, 15 to 30 na southwest 3 feet. Pitsa 14, 15 to 34 na southwest 3 feet. Pitsa 15, 10 to 26 na southeast 2 feet. Pitsa 16, 15 to 35 na southeast 2 feet. Pitsa 17, 10 to 21 na southwest 2 feet. Pitsa 18, 10 to 24 na southeast 2 feet. At pitsa 19, 10 to 27 na southeast 3 feet. Dito naman sa 15-124, ngayong pitsa 10 to 26 na southeast 3 feet. Bukas pitsa 11, 10 to 26 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 12, 15 to 31 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 13, 15 to 32 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 14, 15 to 32 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 15, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 16, 10 to 24 na southeast 2 feet. Pitsa 17, 15 to 31 na southeast 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 18, 10 to 27 na southeast 3 feet. At pitsa 19, 15 to 31 na southeast 3 feet. Dito naman sa 16-123, ngayong pitsa 10 to 26 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 11, 10 to 26 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 12, 10 to 27 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 13, 15 to 34 na southwest habagat na 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 14, 15 to 31 na southwest 3 feet. Pitsa 15, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 16, 15 to 36 na southeast 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 17, 10 to 26 ng southeast 2 feet. Pitsa 18, 15 to 32 na southeast 2 to 3 feet. At pitsa 19, 15 to 36 na southeast 3 feet. Dumako naman tayo dito sa Bicol. Ngayong pitsa 10 dito sa 13-125, 15 to 31 na este 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 11, 10 to 26 na este 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 12, 15 to 32 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 13, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 14, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet pa rin. Pitsa 15, 10 to 24 na southeast 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 16, 10 to 22 na southeast 2 feet. Pitsa 17, 15 to 30 na southwest habagat na 2 feet. Pitsa 18, 10 to 24 na southeast 3 feet. At pitsa 19, 15 to 33 na southeast 3 feet. Dito naman banda sa may Surigao, ngayong pitsa 10, 11-126, 10, pitsa 10, 10 to 15 to 32 na este, 3 feet. Pitsa 11, 15 to 35 na east-southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 12, 10 to 28 na southeast, 3 feet. Pitsa 13, 10 to 24 na southeast, 3 feet. Pitsa 14, 10 to 26 na southeast, 3 feet. Pitsa 15, 10 to 20 na southeast, 2 feet. Pitsa 16, 15 to 30 na southwest, 2 feet. Pitsa 19, 10 to 30 na southeast, 2 feet. Pitsa 18, 15 to 30 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. At pitsa 19, 10 to 23 na southeast, 3 feet lang. Dumako tayo dito sa West Philippine Sea. Dito naman sa 14117. Ngayong pitsa 10, 18 to 36 na south-southeast, 4 feet. Bukas, pitsa 11, 15 to 36 na southwest, 4 feet. Pitsa 12, 20 to 45 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 13, 15 to 37 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 14, 24 to 41 na southwest, 4 feet. Pitsa 15, 22 to 46 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 16, 23 to 41 na southwest, 5 feet. Pitsa 17, 15 to 33 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 18, 17 to 37 na southwest, 4 feet. At pitsa 19, 20 to 42 na southwest, 4 feet. At dito naman sa 12118 sa may west ng Busuanga, ngayong pitsa 10, 10 to 28 na south-southeast, 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 11, 10 to 24 na southwest, 2 feet. Pitsa 12, 11 to 30 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 13, 10 to 26 na southwest, 2 feet. Pitsa 14, 20 to 41 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 15, 23 to 42 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 16, 20 to 44 na southwest, 4 feet. Pitsa 17, 30 to 50 na southwest, 4 feet. Pitsa 18, 20 to 40 na southwest, 4 feet. At pitsa 19, 15 to 38 na southwest, 3 feet lang din. Bukas ulit natin i-update para mabigyan abiso ating mga kaibigang mangisda na nasa laot ngayon. So, magandang umaga. Salamat.